Hi, Martin here, and today I'm going to show you a very useful Mac trick which is going to allow you to quickly preview your files and even interact with them without even opening them. So let's get started. Okay, so on Mac, you can preview files directly from the Finder window. So you may have a situation where you've got a whole host of documents, they may not be named correctly or they might have very similar names, and you're not sure which document you're looking for. So obviously going through, opening up every single document would take quite a while. So what you can actually do is use something called Quick Preview and preview them straight away from the Finder window itself. So I have a Finder window open here, and as you can see, I've got about 4 documents in here. So what I can do, instead of thinking, oh, I think that's the right document, open it up and check, what I can simply do is hit the spacebar. And what that does is give me a preview of that document. So I can even go through all of the slides, and this is a blank presentation, but I can go through all of the slides and see if that's the correct one. So I've got a Word document over here, exactly the same thing. So this Word document, I can go in and I can preview. And then I've got a spreadsheet over here. So I can even press spacebar on my spreadsheet and I'm able to preview my spreadsheet as well. If you do have a folder that has a lot of documents, if I hit spacebar and then use the arrow key, that will actually just cycle through all of the different documents that are inside that folder. So once I've hit spacebar once, I can use the arrow keys and then quickly preview every single file that is in that Finder folder. So that on its own is incredibly useful and an incredible time saver. One extra little feature that we have in Preview is I'm just going to go ahead and open up this blank Word document. So I've got this blank Word document. I know I've got some information in here that I need to copy and paste. So I could go ahead, open that up, copy and paste. But what we can do from the Preview window itself, I'm in Preview here, you can see that my arrow has changed as if I'm able to select or edit the text. So I can go ahead here, I can highlight this information, I can secondary click and go copy, I can go over to my Word document, secondary click and paste, and I have pasted directly from that preview. So I've managed to copy and paste without ever fully opening up this document. So there you have it. I really hope that you found this tip useful. It's something that I use all the time. If you did find it useful, please give the video a like, comment below and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.